It's Paul Turner here, and the question is, should you get one-on-one affiliate marketing coaching or should you self-teach? Should you be self-taught? I kind of believe there's like an in-between step that will suit the majority of people more. Something I found initially dismissed, but it's absolutely great. Now, okay, so should you teach yourself or should you should you go and get some coaching one-on-one? Here's the thing. There are certain things that you can only learn by doing, right? Just the way it is. Classic examples, driving a car, doesn't matter how many books or videos you read about driving a car, until you actually get behind the wheel and drive, you're not going to be able to drive a car. The classic example is riding a bicycle, right? So if I took you away for a week-long intensive course on how to ride a bike, and I show you videos and we talk about why a bike works and we go into the science behind it, and I get top bike cyclists in to talk to you about their technique and what they do. But if you've never, ever, ever ridden a bike before in your life, I guarantee at the end of the week, when I give you your certificate to say you passed the course and I give you a bike, you will fall off. Why? Because even though you know technically what to do, you haven't developed a sense of balance. So first of all, my advice is just do stuff. Don't be scared to screw it up, right? Don't be scared to make mistakes, because your 10th marketing video, if you do video, will be way better, right, than your first. It just will be. Your 50th will be way better than your 10th. And the thing is, people go, I'm not very good at this, I'm not sure what to do. They don't even do the first one. So they're never giving themselves that chance to get better. So that's the first thing I would say, regardless of whether you go and hire somebody and probably pay them a fair degree of money, or you go down the self-taught route, experience is going to count for a hell of a lot, I'll tell you now, right? Certainly based on what I know, and I've been online for quite a few years. So what I've seen in other people as well. Now, I said there was probably a good kind of in-between option that you should probably at least look at and consider trying. You can try it for $1, or you can try it in another way for $25. And that is, to go for something where, okay, it's kind of on the self-taught vein, but you get to hear from people that are actually making things happen and making sales and getting results. So, and you always know what's up to date and working. And you've got somebody you can go and ask questions. Now, even if you go and you hire somebody one-on-one, they don't necessarily have all points of view, right? It's just impossible. One person can't absolutely know everything from every angle. So the third option that I would invite you to look at is called the Home Business Academy. And there's a link around here. And I want to share with you what we're doing to try and make this journey better. That is 74K Doc, right? So me and a friend called Kevin, you'll see him on the inside of my sort of private community. What I'm going to show you, if you can make just one referral a week, can build into a nice $74,000 a year recurring money that comes in whether you work or not income, right? So I'm going to share with you how you can get that. If you're watching on my blog, there's probably a link around here. If you're on YouTube or somewhere, there'll be a link in the description or in my bio if you're on TikTok or somewhere. But let me share with you why I like this, okay? And then if you want some extra help, we have done for you funnels, and you can use your copy of this document. You might notice it says, look, you can use, you could make this document yours and be using it today. And I explain how that works on here as well. So you've got a space for you to put your picture and to put your personal links in. But then in terms of explaining everything, you're free to edit it, obviously, because it's your document, but it explains everything. And because this is my group, it shares some of my results. If you want to get the document, you can see some of my results printed on here. I won't do that now, because it's not about trying to impress you and sort of entice you in, but there are some of my results in here, right? Document is free, it doesn't cost you anything to get the document, right? So click the link and check that out when you're ready. In terms of HBA, why I think it makes a sensible option is this. So let's suppose you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you don't know what to do at all. You come over to the affiliate zone inside the Home Business Academy, and you get a bonus vault, and in the bonus vault is affiliate marketing domination course. Now, if you do come and take a trial with them, okay, you get to keep that whether you stay or not. So that's pretty fair. And there are some other bonuses there. But the point of this video is about, should you get one-on-one coaching or should you be self-taught? So you have the self-taught angle. The problem when you go to something like YouTube is you don't know what you don't know. So you can't search for what you don't know. So you can't necessarily get the information you want. Plus, how shall we put this? Some people may be more interested in promoting you their product than giving you the truth. Let's just say that, shall we? And of course, you get conflicting information. And that's normal in all walks of life, probably. The thing to do is maybe just stick with one and follow it. But let's suppose so you want to go down the self-taught route. I need to log in again. All the training you could want on what to do before you even send traffic, how to get free traffic, okay, how to get paid traffic, sorry, how to get paid traffic, and how to convert the leads that you generate from those traffic sources, whichever one you choose or both. That is all in here for you. So if you want the self-taught angle, not only do you get that cool bonus, you also get this. Point of the video, though, is about this, the masterminds, right? So remember what I was saying, a lot of it is experience and a lot of it's being able to get the support and get the questions that you want answered. So these guys go above and beyond. It's been around since 2000 and let me just go to the bottom here, 2006. I always forget. I don't know why I've got a mental block on this. So it's been around since 2016. So we're about 8 years old now, right? So what do they do for you? So they have a funnel builder, and if you got the funnel builder, you get these, right? But the key to it is if you're looking for coaching and you want the help, just get the premium product, right? So you get on a Monday night, you get the What's Working Now Mastermind. And what happens is they get the people that are getting results to come on and share what they're doing. Absolutely. Well, what more do you want, right? You want to make money online. Don't you want to hear from people that are actually doing it and getting results? Well, there you go. There it is for you every Monday night, right? Then every single day, there's the traffic and conversions. And what happens is you've got Paul and Mike who own this business, who pay for the product themselves, by the way. They don't even give it to themselves for free. They're just kind of ethical like that. They're explaining that on last night's What's Working Now webinar. But they actually will show you some marketing. They show you what they do. And they're seven-figure earners. Okay, so why are these two things important? Well, that is Monday through Thursday, and then on a Friday, it's more about building funnels and stuff. But on all of these, right? And then there's the Saturday version as well. There's a Saturday new members orientation. So on Monday, you've got 2 calls. On Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, you've got 1 call. All of them are there to help you know what's working now, implement it, and most importantly, there is space for you to ask your questions live. If you can't be live, you can fill a form in and send it via a form. You can ask in the Facebook group. There's a very supportive Facebook group where you get multiple people willing to help each other. It's great. They call themselves Freedom Crusaders. Okay, and then there's also an AI driven, you tell it what you're looking for, and if there's a resource, it will find it and point you to that. And if it doesn't work, you can email as well. So you can email, you can ask in the group, you can get on a live call if you can't be on a live call, and they'll speak to you, by the way, on a live call. It's not like, you know, they will answer your message and demonstrate if they need to. So yeah, you've got email, the group, live sessions, or send in a form and get your question answered on the live session, and you can go back and watch the replay. So is it as good as one-on-one? Maybe not, but is it a lot cheaper than one-on-one? Yes. Is it completely self-taught? If you take advantage of what is there, no, because you can ask questions, you can see stuff done. It's like more like group coaching, and it's a lot less than hiring somebody one-on-one. Okay, so I will let you check that out. Now, the 74K doc, if you go and read through that, that is worth reading. That explains what I'm trying to do to help my customers to make sure that they're making sales. That is absolutely free. And what this is the best deal. You pay $25 and you get the funnel builder, but they give you 2 weeks of the premium product for free. So that gives you lots of time to go and check it out and see if you like it or not. $25. If you don't want to stay, you don't have to stay. You can keep the bonus. So that is my view anyway. I think this is a nice option for a lot of people that are kind of looking for the one-on-one. It's better than self-taught, but it's a lot cheaper than one-on-one. Plus, you're getting more than one person's point of view, and you're getting different people on every Monday sharing bang up to date what is working for them. Things do change a lot online, can change very fast with algorithms on social media and stuff like that. So I would recommend it. I love it. It's the best thing I ever did. So I'll leave that with you. Sorry if I waffled on a bit. Go and check the link, and I'll see you on the inside.